This project tried to explore the live audio effect manipulation system by accompanying users' body movement. The novel point of this interface is that it gives a chance for users to explore musical structure intuitively. By moving their own body, users can manipulate not only their surrounding space but also sound distortion as well. Furthermore, according to the change of user's position, the prototype's framework of sound panning presents natural instant feedback when it is beyond the threshold or beneath. For making the panning sound, the input data of a JIT coordinate has to be 64. If the value was less than 64, the sound pans to the left. If it's greater than 64, it pans to the right. For making the reverberation, input have to pass through a lot of filters. When resulting the output, every single musical note is stretching in real time.